correct answer, you will get 5 points. Let's have our first question for the moderate round. The question is, which of the following animals has no head, eyes, mouth, and ears? Which of the following animals has no head, eyes, mouth, and ears? A. Starfish. B. Goat. C. Bird. A. Starfish. B. Goat. C. Bird. Your 10 seconds starts now.
Please copy your answer. Time is up. Raise your boards. Okay.
Rodrigo answered letter. What's your answer? Raise your board. Rodrigo A. Arboleda A. Ladiguhon A. Rasay A. Sally A. Acaso, letter A. The correct answer is letter A. Everybody except for Arboleda did not get it correct. Raise your person. For the moderate round is, which of the following animals have horns? Which of the following animals have horns? A. Dolphin. B. Deer. C. Duck. A. Dolphin. B. Deer. C. Duck. Your 10 seconds starts now.
Eyes on the screen, please. You're done answering. Copy your word. Very good. Don't forget to raise your board. Okay, time is up. Raise your board.
The correct answer is it's letter B. Everybody got it correctly. Which of the following animals can hop and jump? Which of the following animals can hop and jump? A. Monkey. B. Bat. C. Whale. A. Monkey. B. Bat. C. Whale. Your 10 seconds starts now.
Time is up.
Raise your boards. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. Only Rodrigo did not get it correct. Congratulations, number 4. Sorry, erase your previous answer. The moderate round. Which of the following animals eats meat? Which of the following animals eats meat? A. Cow. B. Rabbit. C. Dog. A. Cow. B. Rabbit. C. Dog. Your 10 seconds starts now.
Or your work if you're done. Time is up.
Raise your board. Raise your board. Okay, everybody answered letter C. The correct answer is letter C. Very good. Kindly moderate round. Which of the following animals live on a tree? Which of the following animals live on a tree? A. Elephant. B. Bird. C. Giraffe. A. Elephant. B. Bird. C. Giraffe. Your 10 seconds starts now.
Very good.
Time is up. Raise your board. The correct answer is letter. The correct answer is letter. Your bet?
Okay, dear parents. Okay,